Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most legendary names in the automotive world. This is the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300, a vehicle that's more than just a full-size SUV. It's a symbol of durability, capability, and prestige that has earned its global reputation over decades. Now in its latest generation, the LC300 brings with it a completely reimagined platform, updated technology, and a refined approach to off-road excellence that keeps its roots firmly planted in the terrain it was built to conquer. From the very first glance, the 2025 LC300 exudes confidence. The design doesn't try to look sleek or sporty. It's unapologetically boxy, muscular, and functional. The front end is bold and upright, with a massive grille flanked by squared-off LED headlights. Depending on the trim, the grille is either blacked out or chromed, but either way, it announces the Land Cruiser's arrival with authority. Air intakes are functional, not decorative, and the skid plates and raised bumper line emphasize that this SUV is built for more than just mall parking lots. Moving along the side, the LC300's body maintains a clean, rugged profile. The strong shoulder lines, tall stance, and prominent wheel arches give it a sense of proportion and purpose. It rides on 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels depending on trim, with generous ground clearance and approach angles that make it ready for anything from mountain passes to sand dunes. There's no coupe-like silhouette here, just classic SUV lines that look right at home anywhere from Dubai to Denver. Around the rear, the theme of tough elegance continues. The tailgate is squared and functional, with LED taillights that wrap slightly around the body. The rear bumper is upright and sturdy with tow hooks and sensors subtly integrated. The overall shape stays true to Land Cruiser tradition, emphasizing utility over trend-driven aesthetics. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that combines traditional Toyota durability with modern luxury. The interior of the 2025 LC300 is significantly more upscale than previous generations. Materials are richer, with soft leather, satin metal accents, and stitched dashboard surfaces throughout. At the center of the dash is a large 12.3-inch or optional 14-inch infotainment screen, featuring the latest Toyota interface. It's intuitive, snappy, and finally includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system integrates well with the digital gauge cluster and available head-up display, keeping all vital information front and center. The seating layout is flexible and generously spaced. Front seats are wide, supportive, and come with heating and ventilation. The second row offers ample legroom and adjustable backrests, while the third row is now more accessible and spacious thanks to a more thoughtful interior packaging design. You can fold the third row flat into the floor for maximum cargo capacity, making it ideal for adventure or family duties. Premium trims feature semi-aniline leather, wood grain accents, and ambient lighting that bring a touch of Lexus-like refinement to the experience. Under the hood, the biggest change in this generation is the departure from the V8 engine. In its place is a new 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6, producing around 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers power smoothly and keeps the engine in its sweet spot, whether you're climbing a trail or cruising on the highway. And despite its increased power and torque, it's actually more fuel efficient than the outgoing V8, thanks to better thermal efficiency and lighter weight. On the road, the Land Cruiser LC300 feels remarkably composed for such a large SUV. The new TNGA-F body-on-frame platform brings better rigidity and reduced weight, which improves both handling and ride quality. Steering is more precise, body control is tighter, and the suspension does a fantastic job of soaking up bumps while maintaining off-road capability. Toyota's engineers have fine-tuned the ride so it no longer feels truck-like in everyday use, yet it retains that essential ruggedness when the road disappears. Off-road is where the LC300 continues to earn its stripes. Full-time four-wheel drive, locking differentials, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an electronic kinetic suspension system work together to make this one of the most capable off-roaders on the planet. Whether you're dealing with rock crawls, river crossings, deep snow, or dunes, the LC300 will keep moving forward with calm, relentless capability. And thanks to updated cameras and terrain monitors, you can now see exactly where your tires are headed even in the trickiest conditions. Safety has also seen a major upgrade. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic, alert, and more. In a vehicle this large and powerful, those features aren't just nice, they're necessary, and Toyota has made sure every trim is equipped with robust protection. Pricing for the 2025 LC300 starts around $60,000 for base trims and climbs to over $90,000 for the most luxurious ZX and GR Sport versions. That's a serious investment, but it's also a serious vehicle. You're not just paying for a luxury SUV, you're paying for heritage, engineering, and a reputation for longevity that's nearly unmatched. These vehicles are known to go hundreds of thousands of miles under the harshest conditions, and that kind of trust is hard to put a price on. So where does that leave us? The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 is a perfect evolution of a legend. It doesn't try to reinvent what made it iconic. It builds on that foundation with smarter engineering, modern comfort, and sharper technology. It's still every bit the off-road beast, but now it's just as comfortable on a cross-country road trip or daily commute. Whether you're an adventurer, a family hauler, or just someone who appreciates world-class reliability and presence, this Land Cruiser delivers on all fronts. Thanks for joining us today on this in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more real-world reviews, and let us know in the comments. Is the LC300 on your shortlist? Or are you leaning towards something like the Defender or the new Grand Wagoneer? Either way, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.